gonna make my choice. I'm gonna make some noise in my life, baby. They gonna watch my words, ain't gonna write my verse. I'm gonna make this yours before it's mine, baby. Ooh, let me scream.
Before we get into the video, I'd just like to thank Doratoon for sponsoring this portion of the video. Doratoon is a website for creating customized animated videos. It has thousands of templates that you can use so that you can create one with no effort. In the templates tab, you can see different templates from different topics. However, you can also directly search for the topic that you are looking for. So today is March 27 and it's my brother's birthday, so I'm going to pick a birthday template. Just press in the templates and then pick the scenes which you want to be inserted in the presentation. You can delete the characters and add new ones from the characters tab. I'll be using a doctor with a cheer up emotion because my brother wants to be a doctor someday. You can also add other materials in the props button, and I'm going to use balloons. Next, you can add songs from the music tab and you can select the genre that you want. Next, go back to the scenes tab and add transitions. After finishing, you can go to your other scenes and add texts and photos. One feature that I would like to highlight is the background tab. As for me, I'm going to add a colorful one. Lastly, my favorite feature is AI dubbing. AI dubbing converts your text into a talking voice. After selecting the voice, you can press addition and then the voice will be inserted into your scene. After finishing editing all your scenes, you can press export and then OK. And here's the final result.
Happy birthday, Kuya. I hope you enjoy your day.
따로 있다는 얘기지. 그놈을 저도 그꼴은 못 보내요.
좋은 자세네.
열심히 못 잡으면 최악이야.
상상도 할 수 없는 일이 생겼어. 내게도 이런 일이다. 아무런 준비조차 못한 내게 네가 왜 그런지 모르겠지만 변해서 조면에 별 얘기를 다 얼마나 바보 같아 보였을까. 내가 매일 온 혼자 걷던 그 길도 바람에 흔들거리는 그 다리도 외롭게 보내던 주말도 이제는 너와 나 그래 너와 나 All love, one love 이게 사랑인 거야 자꾸만 보고 싶어 나는 fall in love 내게 fall in love 환하게 웃는 네가 좋아 아직도 fall in love 시간이 가도 너와 너와 너와
Fried rice.
지금 이 순간에도 네가 그리워 안고 또 말하고 싶어 My love, one love 이게 사랑인 거야 자꾸만 기다려줘 나는 fall in love 내게 fall in love 환하게 웃는 네가 좋아 아직도 fall in love 시간이 가도 너와 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 They gonna hear my voice ain't gonna make my choice I'm gonna make some noise in my life, baby They gonna watch my words ain't gonna write my verse I'm gonna make this yours before it's mine, baby Ooh, let me scream, yeah. Let me scream That's what I need, baby Dance on me Man. And let everybody in the room see That's you and me, baby It's so hard to make a sound And that's why you should keep me around Listen, baby When I'm done it's gonna be obvious Imagine if that was all of us now Why can't I get a look from your direction Give me just a second, I need your attention I need your attention, baby Why can't I get them to ever see us Them to just believe us, baby They will give us don't know what they gon'
Malasin ba ka nag-makeup na? Hamat din. Wow, makeup. Actually, yung part ko doon is prayer. Ang awkward naman kung pronunciation. Or Heavenly Father.
I'm on an ultrasonic wave I'm making some high weather
So, kaka-upload lang ng prof ko nung chapter 5 ng chemistry namin. So, baka ito yung gagawin ko. Tapos, matutulog ako after. Babasahin ko lang para lang may advance reading. As in, kapag like mga ganitong oras, as in, gustong matulog ng katawan ko.